Welcome to Storytime with Mrs. Watson. Today, I am going to read a nonfiction book, and it's going to be all about ants. Do you know what a nonfiction book is? A nonfiction book is a book about true facts, and today we're going to find out some pretty interesting facts about ants. The title of our story is called Ants by Melissa Stewart. A lot of nonfiction books have a table of contents, and that lets the reader know where they can find certain facts about what they're reading. So if I wanted to find out that there is ants with wings and I want to know more about it, I'm going to turn to page 20 and find out exactly some ants with wings. I don't have to go through the entire book. I can go straight to page 20 and figure out what ants have wings. Ants all around. Do you know how many ants live in the world? More than... Whoa, look at this number. It's a 10 with a whole lot of zeros. That's a lot of ants. Ants live in fields and forests. They live under sidewalks too. Ants are everywhere. How do you say that really long number? Well, it's 10 quadrillion. You say it like this, quadrillion. That's a lot of ants. An ant is an active insect. Its tiny waist helps it bend and wiggle through tunnels. Its 6 strong legs creep and crawl. Its 2 large eyes see the world. Its super tough jaws munch and crunch. Its long feelers touch and tap. This type of ant is called a wood ant. Ants at home. Wow, just look at all those ants. This is called an army ant colony, because it has a lot of ants. 1 ant, 2 ants, 3 ants, 4. See 1 ant and you'll see lots more. Ants live in large groups. A group of ants is called a colony. Word bites. Colony is a group of ants that lives together. Some colonies have millions of ants. An ant colony lives in a nest. Most ants build nests underground. An ant nest is full of tunnels. Each tunnel leads to a little room. This type of ant you see here is called a bulldog ant, and it is crawling inside a tunnel. Underground ant nest. There's the tunnel and the little rooms. Notice how they all have little baby ones too, ready to come out. This picture is of a guinea ant. They nest in a tree. Some ants do not live underground. They live inside hollow thorns, between rocks, in rotting trees, in nests made of leaves. This is the Ant Man. His name is Brian Fisher. Brian Fisher is a scientist. He looks for new kinds of ants. Some people call him the Ant Man. Dr. Fisher has found more than 800 new kinds of ants. He can't wait to find even more. An ant's life. At the top we have the queen ant. Ant takes care of pupa. The queen is the biggest ant in a colony. She lays eggs all day long. When the eggs hatch, little larvae wriggle out. They look like worms. This is an Aztec ant. There's the egg. They eat and eat and eat. Larvae turn into pupa. Pupa do not move. Pupa do not eat. After a few weeks, they turn into adult ants. Word bites. Larva the second stage in the life of many insects. Larvae spend most of their time eating and growing. Pupa, the third stage in the life of many insects. Some ant pupa are surrounded by a cocoon. Can you think of another insect that is surrounded by a cocoon? That's right, a butterfly. Worker ants. Most of the ants in a colony are workers. All worker ants are females. Inside the nest, some worker ants dig new tunnels. Others take care of eggs, larvae, and pupa. This is a bulldog ant and its larva. Here is a picture of weaver ants. We have the worker ants, and many ants eat other insects. Outside the nest, some worker ants collect food. Others guard the nest. Ants with wings. This is a garden ant. This picture is of winged carpenter ants. A few ants in the colony have wings. Some are female, some are males. Ants with wings fly out of the nest. They start new colonies. Superhero ants. This is a picture of an aqua ant. Aqua ant lives in Australia. She can swim, dive, and even live underwater. That's pretty cool. At the very top of the page, we have Mama Marvel, is an African driver ant. She lays 50 million eggs a year. Then we have Hulking Hercules. Hulking Hercules is a bulldog ant. She can lift more than 20 times her body weight. That's a pretty cool thing. Then we have the Big Biter. The Big Biter is a trap jaw ant. She has the fastest bite in the animal world. Biter can snap her jaw shut at a speed of 145 miles an hour. Wow. Notice all of these are girl ants. Go girls, go girls. What's for dinner? Most ants catch and eat other insects. Some ants eat dead animals. Leafcutter ants grow their own food. They have fungus gardens inside their nest. This is a picture of a leafcutter ants and their fungus garden. Many ants take care of aphids. Aphids are small insects. They make sugary poop that ants like to eat. Yummy, sugary poop. How do you say aphid? Aphid. Word bites. Fungus, a living thing that is not a plant or an animal. Mushrooms are a kind of fungus. Here is a picture of army ants. Ooh, look at that close-up picture. That looks kind of mean. Army ants hunt for food every day. The colony looks like a moving, munching carpet. Army ants sting and bite everything in their path. They can kill insects, spiders, lizards, and baby birds. An army ant colony can be as wide as a street, and it can be longer than a football field. Fire ants. These are probably the most that we have come in contact with. These fire ants can hurt. Army ants are not the only ants that sting and eat animals. Fire ants have poison that they inject into other insects, animals, and even people. It leaves a burning feeling. That is how fire ants got their name. There are more than 280 different kinds of fire ants. Hooray for ants! Ants are an important part of our world. They are food for other animals. Birds, frogs, and spiders eat ants. So do monkeys and aardvarks. As ants dig tunnels, they mix the dirt. Plants grow better in dirt with ants. Leafcutter ants dig up a lot of dirt when they build a nest. Scientists weighed the dirt one colony dug up. The dirt weighed as much as 6 elephants. Wowzers! That's a lot of dirt. Don't forget these important words. Colony, a group of ants that lives together. Fungus, a living thing that is not a plant or an animal. Larva, the second stage in the life of many insects. Pupa, the third stage in the life of many insects. Thank you for watching Storytime with Mrs. Watson. And if you would like to learn more about other insects, just let me know. I would love to read another book, another nonfiction book to you.